Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Imagine trying to bake a cake, whip cream, or knead dough without a mixer. For thousands of years, cooks relied entirely on their own strength, using spoons, whisks, and wooden paddles to mix ingredients by hand. The kitchen mixer, a machine so common today that many people barely notice it, transformed cooking and baking forever. Its story is one of innovation, industrialization, and the desire to make food preparation faster, easier, and more consistent. The earliest mixing tools were simple hand operated devices. Ancient civilizations such as Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans used wooden spoons, mortar and pestles, and primitive whisks made from bundled twigs or reeds. These tools worked, but preparing large quantities of food required considerable labor. Throughout the Middle Ages and into the Renaissance, kitchen work remained physically demanding. Bakers, pastry cooks, and household servants spent hours beating eggs, mixing doughs, and stirring batters by hand. In some recipes, cooks were instructed to beat ingredients for 30 minutes or more, a task that would leave arms exhausted. The Industrial Revolution of the late 18th and 19th century changed everything. As factories introduced machines capable of performing repetitive tasks, inventors began looking for ways to apply mechanical power to food preparation. Early mixing machines appeared in commercial bakeries during the 19th century. These large devices, often powered by hand cranks, belts, or steam engines, allow bakers to produce more bread and pastries than ever before. These machines were expensive and bulky, but they demonstrated that mechanical mixing could save enormous amounts of time and labor. One of the most important developments came in 1856, when Baltimore tinner Ralph Collier patented one of the first mechanical egg beaters. His invention used rotating parts to whip eggs much more efficiently than a traditional whisk. This sparked a wave of innovation. Throughout the second half of the 19th century, inventors filed patents for hand-cranked egg beaters, rotary whisk, and mixing devices. These tools became popular household items, particularly among the middle-class families. For the first time, home cooks could perform tasks that were previously required significant effort with much greater ease. By the late 19th century, commercial bakeries and restaurants were demanding even more powerful mixing equipment. In 1885, inventor Rufus Eastman developed an electric motor-driven mixer designed for industrial use. Although electricity was still relatively new, the concept showed tremendous promise. Electric motors could provide consistent power without the need for manual labor or steam engines. Large bakeries quickly recognized the potential benefits. The true revolution in kitchen mixing began in the early 20th century. In 1908, engineer Herbert Johnston was working for the Hobart Manufacturing Company when he observed a baker struggling to mix bread dough by hand. Johnston believed a machine could do the job more effectively. He designed a mechanical mixer that mimicked the movement of human hands while providing a far greater power and consistency. The result was a commercial mixer that quickly gained popularity among bakeries and food service operations. Hobart's commercial mixers became a major success. Their durability and efficiency attracted the attention of professional chefs and bakers across the United States. During World War I, these mixers were even used aboard the U.S. Navy ships to help prepare food for sailors. The widespread adoption of mechanical mixers demonstrated how essential the new technology had become. Recognizing that home cooks could also benefit from mechanical mixing, Hobart introduced a domestic version of its mixer in 1919 under the brand name KitchenAid. Legend has it when the company executive's wife tested the machine, she remarked, "I don't care what you call it. It's the best KitchenAid I've ever had." And the name stuck. The first KitchenAid stand mixer was expensive and targeted affluent households. but it represented a major milestone in culinary history. Home bakers can now mix doughs, whip cream, and prepare batters with professional quality results. Throughout the 1920s and 1930s, manufacturers refined mixer designs. Motors became smaller, quieter, and more reliable. New attachments expanded the capabilities of stand mixers beyond simple mixing. Users can now grind meat, make pasta, juice fruits, and perform other kitchen tasks with a single machine. These innovations reflected a broader trend toward multifunctional appliances that will save space and money. The Great Depression slowed appliance sales, but technological progress continued. By the 1940s and 1950s, economic growth and widespread household electrification helped kitchen mixers become increasingly common. Manufacturers promoted mixers as symbols of modern living. Advertisements often featured smiling homemakers effortlessly preparing cakes and cookies with electric mixers, highlighting convenience and efficiency. Another important development occurred in the rise of the handheld electric mixer. While stand mixers offered power and versatility, they were expensive and occupied valuable counter space. Hand mixers provided a more affordable alternative. Lightweight and portable, they allowed home cooks to perform many mixing tasks without investing in larger appliances. By the mid-20th century, handheld mixers had become a staple in many kitchens around the world. As consumer demand increased, competition among manufacturers accelerated innovation. Companies introduced variable speed controls, improved beaters, stronger motors, and enhanced safety features. Mixers became more reliable and user-friendly. Designers also paid greater attention to appearance, offering appliances in a variety of colors and styles to match modern kitchens. By the 21st century, the kitchen mixer had become much more than a simple mixing machine. Modern mixers can knead dense bread dough, whip delicate meringues, grind grains, spiralize vegetables, make sausage, churn ice cream, and even process food with specialized attachments. Advances in motor technology and materials have increased durability while reducing noise and energy consumption. Today, the kitchen mixer remains one of the most recognizable and versatile appliances in the culinary world. From humble hand whisk and egg beaters to sophisticated electrical stand mixers, its evolution reflects humanity's ongoing effort to make cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Every time a baker mixes cookie dough, kneads bread, or whips cream with a push of a button, they are benefiting from centuries of innovation. The kitchen mixer may seem ordinary, but its history tells a remarkable story of how technology transformed one of humanity's oldest activities, the preparation of food. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.